circulate or to distribute any publication, you need a distribution group that would have people basically going around newsstands and other outlets where you could actually sell. But it goes beyond those areas where you could sell. There are also areas where we give out complimentary copies. We give out these copies to these areas because market of a particular magazine frequents that area also.
Saka question,
Okay, what?
ano na nga ba ang development sa bagong decision?
Nako, Iko, you won't believe it once I tell you.
Go, tell me.
Well, malalaman natin yung mga developments sa business na aming ginawa sa pagbabalik ng pinakabigating business show, ang
Go Negosyo Big Time! Sequence!
Ano ang basihan nyo sa pagpili ng magazine na bibili nyo?
Minsan kasi yung magazine na pinipili ko, yung talagang matagal ko nang hinahanap yung may ganong issue.
Siyempre yung yung kung anong company yung gumawa, yung parang yung kumpleto kung sino, kung yung mga tanong na sino, kung paano, yun.
Yung cover. Yung, di ba sa magazine may nakasulat yung mga contents niya. Binabasa ko kung ano yung mas interesting na mga issues nila. Ayun.
Siyempre yung merong information ka na makukuha, more information, and then at the same time, entertainment.
Yung yung parang kwento dun sa magazine.
Siyempre maganda yung cover kasi yun yung, di ba, unang nakikita natin yung cover. Tsaka yun nga, yung nilalaman niya, siyempre nandun sa labas yung contents.
Colorful magazines, and then the pictures, the topics, story about, mga artist yan. At saka pang personal, mga
Unang-una yung sa niya, cover. Pag maganda-agad yung cover niya, siyempre nakaka-attract siya, bibiling ko na agad.
Ito na, habang tumatagal lalong nagiging mas exciting ang step-by-step process ng business ni Chal at ng kanyang mga friends.
Alam mo, Iko, better siguro if they just watch this.
May good news kami.
Yes.
Review.
Finally, we have
a name.
finally ngayon, meron na kami nahanap na name.
So, ang dami naming naisip na rin, ang dami naming kinancel. So, ito, finally, ito na yung sa tingin namin pinakamaganda.
And the name is Hemera and Nyx. Parang Dolce and Gabbana.
Yeah. So, siya.
Hemera is the goddess of daylight and Nyx is the goddess of night. So, di ba two Nyx pwede naman day and night? So, pasok talaga.
Yun name.
Yeah.
Swak sa banga.
That's how you spell Hemera.
That's how you spell Hemera. Hemera. So, in Greek mythology, Hemera was the personification of day. So, goddess of daylight talaga siya. And then, once I click on Nyx, kasi nga Hemera and Nyx,
Nyx is spelled with an N-Y and X.
X. So, si Nyx naman is the goddess of night and darkness na rin. Remember, pumunta tayo sa house ko? Tapos, ang tinatry namin yun, yung initials, kasi Jamie, Kathy, Chal, tsaka Kodj, whatever, iniikot-ikot namin. Tapos,
Tsaka we wanted to use our middle names.
mother's
maiden name. Para naman, kasi since, parang tribute to the moms. Kasi diba, ang ginagamit namin is the last name of our dad. So parang, mom naman. So, Martinez, Chang, tsaka Zervolacos. So, try namin i-match-match yun, ikot-ikot, pero wala.
So tonight, just like any, how do you say this, power brand, kailangan may logo din. Kasi mahaba rin naman talaga yung Hemera and Nyx.
So, parang kailangan merong signature. Like Chanel. Diba? Meron siyang dalawang C na gano'n. So, parang something like that.
Pero we thought of, since ayaw naman namin maging H and N, kasi diba, ang rami na folded.
Parang F and H.
FNH, tapos, ang rami ng ganon. So we thought, sige fine, yung logo natin, kahit hindi na connected doon, sa names na lang namin. So, C and J, na kailangan namin gumawa ng logo, ikot-ikutin pa namin. So we're gonna try that.
Do some tweaking.
Yun.
Ayaw namin yung word na end actually. So, we'll play around with the word end. So, gagawin namin ng iba-ibang symbol. Instead of yung mga normal na ganon or slash, ibahin namin. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Parang, kasi, loko, ang nipis dito, tapos bigla ang laki.
Yan, umbrella. Hindi, joke lang.
Yung process nung paggawa ng name, actually, mahaba-haba. As in, Una, gusto namin parang medyo related sa tunics, like tunica, parang Greek term ata siya for tunic. Kaso nga lang, it's gonna limit our product. So if we want to parang expand our product in the, di ba, in the future, medyo hindi na babagay yung name. Tapos we thought also of our names, like Cathy, Chal, and Jamie. Kaso nga lang, parang hindi namin ma-put together.
Since I can play around with the two C's, kasi Cathy and I naman, Charles, C rin.
Or pwede mo lang siya gawing pa slant para slash effect. Parang gano'n.
Kasi from the very start, diba, yun yung problem namin. Nahirapan kami to look for a name. So, like, right now, I'm really happy with what we came up with.
Okay naman. Like, parang ano, diba? Parang Dolce & Gabbana. Okay naman.
This is nice, pero pag ganito,
Pag
hindi
nag-necklace
masyado
na-
kita yung sinyo. And it's not...
No, it's paslant naman talaga. It's supposed to be like for us lang. Well, I'll try to make it ganyan.
Actually, very important yun na magkaroon na ng name. Kasi, it could also be your mission vision.
Actually, si Chal talaga yung nakaisip ng name. Kasi yung first, yung sex we ba yun na binigay niya, it was also her. Pero we both, Kath and I didn't like it.
Medyo pang lingerie kasi yung dating niya eh. Baka ma-confuse yung mga tao kung ano nga yun. Medyo mahirap siya i-pronounce. Yung spelling kasi niya parang S-E-X-O-U-I, parang ganyan. So, hindi mo masyado magbasa ng lahat ng tao.
Ano ka na, brainstorm, yung goddesses yung nahanap niya. Tapos, yun, sinabi niya nga Hemera and Nick. Sabi ko, oh, child, that's good. Ganyan. Tapos, sinabi namin kay Cathy likes it too. So, yun, nag-decide na kami, we'll stick to it.
At least, kapag Hemera and Nyx, mababasa siya kagad. Tsaka, maganda yung medyo tricky siya sa mga tao eh. Who's Hemera and who's Nyx?
Pinag-usapan din na kailangan yung name mo describes the business that you are doing. So, of course, we have to be unique and we have to be creative. Hindi naman pwedeng, dahil damit ang binibenta namin, damit, yung pangalan namin. Or tunics, so tunics, di ba? So, ito, swak to, Hemera and Nyx. Kasi nga, may history. 1 to 10, success level 10, of course. Seriously, kasi it's not easy thinking of a name, I mean, you can think of any name na Chal, di ba? Dali mag-isip ng pangalan, but a name that you know, you like,
So, i-rate ko na nasa 7.5 na kami. Andun na lahat ng basic eh. Alam na namin kung ano yung product namin. Alam na namin kung paano namin gagawin. Kung sino yung papagawa namin. Kung saan kami kukuha ng raw materials. So, actually, yung finished product na lang. Yun na lang.
6 kasi marami pa kaming kailangan gawin. Pero medyo marami na rin kaming nagawa.
So this 110 siya. Because we all agreed, walang nag-oppose na, ay wag. Miraculously, 3 girls agreed on something.
Alam mo, Iko, in every step of the way, ang dami kong natututunan. Lalo na with the show, na-apply ko yung mga pinag-usapan natin.
Aba, wala nang makakapigil pa. Sooner or later, baka ikaw na ang next featured entrepreneur natin.
Wow, sana nga, sana nga.